This slow cooker chicken and lentil soup is one of the easiest ways to meal prep a high protein lunch for the week. It has about 42 grams of protein per serving, is budget friendly at around $2.50 to $3 per serving, and tastes just like your favorite chicken soup. I'll be using a 4-quart slow cooker for this one, and we'll be dumping everything in it. Start with 1 pound of boneless, skinless chicken breasts. You can also use chicken thighs for this recipe as well. Add 1 1/4 cup of dry green or brown lentils. Be sure to rinse them first. Dice up 1 medium yellow onion and then add it into your slow cooker. Cut up 2 carrots and add those in as well. We'll need 2 diced celery stalks for this one as well. Add 2 teaspoons of minced garlic. For our seasonings, we're using 1 teaspoon ground turmeric, 1 teaspoon ground cumin, 1 teaspoon smoked paprika, half a teaspoon salt, and a 1/4 teaspoon black pepper. Add 1 14.5 ounce can of no salt added diced tomatoes. Finally, add 4 cups of a low sodium broth. You can use water as well, although it will be a bit less flavorful. Go ahead and stir everything together. Then place the lid on your slow cooker, set it to low, then cook it on low for 6 to 8 hours. You can also cook it on high for 4 hours if you want it done sooner. Once your meal is done cooking, use 2 forks to shred up your chicken breasts. You can either do it in the slow cooker like I am here, or you can take the chicken breast out and shred it in a bowl. Once the chicken's been shredded, go ahead and mix it in with the soup. Finally, garnish it with some green onions. Then you're set to serve your slow cooker chicken and lentil soup for lunch or dinner. If you're meal prepping this like I am, you can divide it up into 4 meals like I am doing here. If you're a fan of budget-friendly slow cooker recipes like this one, please let me know and I'll be sure to come up with some more for you guys. And if you found this recipe helpful, please like the video and subscribe for more healthy recipes every week.